Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Sofirn. Now this here is their SR15. Now I was sent this directly from Sofirn. They wanted me to feature it here, test and review it on my channel. Comes in this box. So we'll start off here with the specs. So as you can see there, 4500 lumens on turbo is possible. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause the screen. Otherwise, let's get this open, see what's in. Now this is a complete kit. It comes with everything you need to get started right out of this box. Start off here with the user manual, front and back, multi-language. We got one lanyard and two O-rings. One USB Type-C to Type-C charging cable. Let's go ahead and take the light out here. Now this is a reminder to remove the protection piece from the battery, and we'll do that. Let's go ahead and take a look here at the light. There it is. It's compact enough, definitely for everyday carry. Can table stand that if you need. My understanding is this is a magnetic tail cap. That's the lanyard hole there. Let's go and check it out here. And it is hands-free, strong enough to hold its weight on the side. That's strong. Use my lights a lot hands-free, working on stuff, especially out in the garage or the car. You do have a clip here. You can remove it if you don't want it on there. Definitely going to turn mine to face the port here. Always do that. Speaking of the charging port, there it is there. Snug. It's got a large side switch. This is a battery level indicator there as well. Got some heat sinking here. Not much though. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a look here at the 4 smooth reflectors and LEDs. Those are the Luminous LEDs. They don't say what they are, but they definitely look like very nice quality LEDs. Now, my understanding, they are running a buck driver in this, so we'll see how that does out there. Style and design on this is nice. Grooves on the body help with gripping it. It's got a semi-gloss finish. And the machining and finish on this is nice. No issues. Sofirn makes some of the best budget-friendly lights on the market, including higher quality ones as well. Alright, well now let's go ahead and take this all apart, and I'll show you the protection piece that's in this as well. we're going to want to remove that or it will fall out. I save them just in case we need to use them at a later point, store the light, or some of my other ones. The battery here that it comes with is a 5000 milliamp 21700 cell. This is a 15 amp cell, unprotected, so it should provide plenty of power for this light. There's the head of the light, very nice quality spring on there. And there's one down inside the barrel there. Nice quality. Now let's go ahead and get it all back together. Let's go through the UI. Spring on the head is pretty strong. Now let's go ahead and go through the UI. UI is pretty straightforward. We're going to press and hold from off to get the lowest light output. And then from here, we're using the stepping mode at the moment. You can hold it down or do them individually. From the highest point, you can double click to get the turbo. That is bright. Let's take a look here at the beam. As you can see, it's a lot of overlapping, but the centralized area here is focused. The little petals, I call them flower petals. So, kind of see how they overlap. Pretty intense. Cutoff is not too strong from the outer edge. But you can see right here on that inner spill area, it's going to be the most intense. Man, a lot of light output coming out of this thing. So now if we want to do a special mode, 1, 2, 3, we'll get you strobe. And that is a variable speed on the flash, and it is distracting. Double click that, will get you SOS. Pretty fast. Double click again, we'll get you a beacon. One click returns it back. This does have memory mode, so leave it there, turn it off, turn it back on. It does memorize the last mode. Now we're going to go ahead and turn it back down. 1, 2, 3, 4 will lock out the light. Now it will only flash twice, but it won't stay on. 1, 2, 3, 4 unlocks the light, and that returns you right back to the last light output that you had it on. Again, from off, you've got the lowest light output there. That's great. Then from there, press and hold to go up. And that's all there is to this light. Pretty straightforward and easy to operate this. I really like the 4 LEDs. It's a little different with the outer edges of the beam. I'm very familiar with this type of setup, so it does take some getting used to, but it can be beneficial because you do see additional areas outside that beam. Feels rugged. Nice build quality overall. I'm not seeing any issues here. Never do with Sofirn. Alright, well, let's take this SR15 out, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Sofirn SR15. Let's go ahead and get started here at the lowest setting it is on. See, you've got good battery power. It is on the fence. Good for up close, about 15-20 feet. It's got some pretty good range on this, actually. See there, it's making 138 feet, as you can see there. Water spout, 38 feet, 65 feet here. Next level up, kind of see the little flower petal outlines on that outer edge. It's got some good range on this though. See across the park to the playgrounds. Impressive. 238 feet there now, and 138 feet here to the famous Tree of Life. Making a school, of course. Almost to the palm trees. Next jump up here, and there it is, making that first palm tree. Second one, almost. First one it is. This is impressive. Look at that. Across the park to the playground. Gonna do a beam profile here at this light level. I think we're ready to do turbo, I think. Let's go ahead and do it. Nice. Making first palm tree and that second one. So it's got some good range on this thing. Now the beam overlaps a little bit, but it's not a big thing. Playgrounds over there. Impressive. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. I like the beam on here. It's got some very nice beam range on it. The outer edges have those additional little areas that overlapped. It's not really a problem with me. Now I do see some people probably not liking that, but that's okay. I still think this is a very nice beam performance. Light output, plenty of light out there. It doesn't disappoint. It maintains that light level for quite a bit, as you can see out there. Not too cold, but we've been having kind of a heat spell. We've got some storms coming in, so it's crazy weather this year so far. But in any case, not seeing any issues with this. It's pretty straightforward. This here is budget friendly. It comes with everything you need. Easy to operate this. Got quite a few light levels, and also the hands-free option. If you want to stick it to hands-free, place it, use it to work on your car, great for emergencies. Also, the 21700 cell, you can use any 21700 cell in this light, no issues. That's a plus in my opinion. So you can easily just swap it out rather than having to charge it and top it off to be able to continue your adventure. Okay, well, I want to thank Sofirn for sending me this SR15 to review. Now, if this is something you are interested in getting, remember it's a complete kit. It comes with everything you need. I will leave a link down below the video where you can get this. Special discount code will be there as well, and that'll help you save some money on this, just in case you're interested. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thanks button. Donate to my channel. Otherwise, you can please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these Sofirn lights to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.